Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to utilize the shortcut key in Excel to perform 5, I would say, hidden features that you might didn't know that you can be done in just one click. Or perhaps the simplified way is just using a shortcut key in both PC, which means your Windows, and also your MacBook in your Mac OS as well. So let me go through you 5 simple hidden features in Excel. Let's go. To share with you the 5 hidden features in Excel, I have already prepared a simple data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, you can download in the video descriptions. It should be in this way. The very first thing is sometimes we want to find differences among the selections, perhaps just a little difference. So what you need to do is just select everything. And the great thing about using a shortcut key, okay, you just press Ctrl \. It will automatically select all the cells that with different data compared with others. I'm not sure you can observe or not. The rest is live series and this file is book series. Okay, that is feature number 1. Find differences among selections, just press Ctrl \. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm going to share with you how to split data, especially your data could be no specific length. It is like random, it's really, you can't do it in a normal way, right? So what you're going to do is just type or just copy the format that you wanted to split. Okay, so for example, I just want to split all the alphabet and numbers. Then the next thing is move to the next column here. Okay, and all you need to do is just press Ctrl E. It will fill up automatically on the result column. Voila. It's very simple, right? Okay, so this is how you actually split data according to the format, and the only thing that you need to do is split the first one. Features number 3 is I wanted to share with you how to speedily sum up in both row and column. Okay, for example, I want to sum up whether these 5 months under Jeff was the total expenses, and then under each month, 5 persons is what is the total expenses. And I know all of you trying to do this, right? Equal sum, and then you just try to drag this guy and so on, right? Okay, I'm just trying to share with you, you can be done by this way is first, select all the data. Number 2, just press alternate equal in your keyboard. Ta-da! Done. Okay, I didn't do any editing in my visual. Okay, this is original raw file. Okay, repeat one more time. You just select all the table you want, and of course you already allocate the total column in the last. For example, like this, just press alternate equal. It will calculate automatically. Okay, once you've done that, let's say I want to beautify this table because this is look too plain. What I need to do is just press Ctrl T. It will actually telling you this is the data for table and so on. Yes, and it will create table automatically. And the best thing about this table is you can do filtering already. Okay, for example, I just want to show bill. Okay, so this is one of the ways to beautify a table in using a shortcut key, which is Ctrl T. And the next thing is I want to show you how you can create a graph immediately. All you need to do is just press alternate F1 and a chart will be created immediately, just like that. Okay, so that is 5 features using 5 shortcut keys that you can improve your productivity, especially in Excel. Okay guys, I hope you learn the 5 simple way to increase your productivity in Excel by using the cool shortcut key. And of course, I believe some of you will not even know there are such features appear in Excel, right? And I, of course, you enjoyed it. Okay, to actually back you further, I already compiled one of the Excel I already compiled all the shortcut key that I can find in Microsoft Excel, which is on both Windows and Apple platform. Let me share with you. This is the file. Okay, I already compiled 17 pages, something like this. It's very simple. I even separate each category in terms of drag and drop, general selection, extended selection, and so on. And the best thing is I even show the shortcut key in Windows and also Mac system. Okay. Also, you can observe by click the link in my video description. Then from there, you will lead to my website, whereby I just need your one simple help to like my friend page, and you will get the download link immediately from your PM box in your Facebook or Instagram. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, a very simple way to review. So please like this video if you love what you learned just now, and subscribe to my channel as well as put the ring in the channel so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video and tutorial, especially stuff like this. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you stay home, stay safe. Hope to see you again, and goodbye.